Hello, everybody. My name is Russell Jackson. I own a financial service practice here in Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm here today. I want to share with you 12 nuggets that has changed and impacted my life, and I want to be able to impart these things to you. Um, Point number one, invest in your kids. Start early, especially when after 10, 15 days after they come out of the womb. Put some coverage, whole life, cash value life insurance on them because it's going to do a couple things. Number one, it's going to lock in their insurability for the rest of their life. As long as the payments and everything is paid. Number two is that cash that's in these policies going to grow, and they can use that money as ways to help create wealth later on in life. So that's so very important. It's not taboo. It's just a way of building generational wealth when you invest in your children. Second point, life insurance isn't just death insurance. Life insurance is what I call love insurance. It's for people, things that you love. Life insurance also is income replacement. That if you lose a loved one, that income they was bringing in the house, we need to ensure that they had enough coverage on them so that we can spit out that same stream of income on an annual basis so that you continue living the same lifestyle you currently living. You shouldn't take a step back, but you should move forward. Point number three, life insurance have tax advantages. Now, I'm no tax professional, but there are some tax advantages in life insurance. Not only do the death benefit can be tax free, except for like if you have any estates, then there can be muddled water there, but the death benefit is tax free, as well as the cash that's in these policies you can receive, the income tax free. So why not take advantage of it? The fourth thing is that life insurance can be used as retirement supplement. Most people, they count on their social security benefit as the only stream of income for retirement. But you can have life insurance, a cash value life insurance that can spit out income for you in retirement. And that can be just one distribution stream. You can have your social security as a distribution stream. You can have a retirement plan as a distribution stream. Take advantage of it all. Point number five is life insurance can be used as a legacy planning. That everything you should do, you should want to do to enhance so that you can pass it off to the next generation. You can educate the next generation so that they can start out a lot further ahead than where you start out. And part of that, you read a book called What Will the Rockefellers Do? They had it together. They used life insurance as a source to help finance and take care of over 150 members of their family. Step number six, everything you do, put it on paper. Everybody say they love you and they're going to do this. If it's not on paper, it doesn't matter. Write it down. Have a will. Have a trust. Make sure that it's on paper. It's not what someone else said. And even though, like, even on your life insurance policy, you have a beneficiary, but even if you have a checking account, savings account at a financial entity, make sure you have a beneficiary listed on your account. Next thing, it's feeling good, is life insurance can be used as a way to raise capital. It can be used to get income. There's for business owners, there's something called collateral assignment, where you can use life insurance as collateral to get a loan from a bank. or a financial institution. Also, life insurance can be used as in an asset class where you can use that money that's generated from year to year, especially on cash value life insurance policies, and it can be used as cash on your balance sheet. So life insurance is a great way to afford you access to capital. The eighth point, get to know your insurance agent. Don't you tell me that, yeah, when I ask you what's the name of your agent, don't tell me that your grandma, your mom take care. You should know who your agent is. You putting your trust in them. And if your grandma set it up, ask your grandmother what's the name of your agent. You should have a relationship with your agent. Don't keep telling me I don't know, or my grandmother take care of it. You should know. Next point, number 9, is get a second opinion. Don't be afraid to get a second opinion on your life insurance policy. Sometimes people can have policies in place for so long and never got someone to look at it. And some of the plans, the riders, and different things in the policies could expire or may not apply to certain things. And if you don't have someone to look at your policy, or even your situation may change from the time you initially set it up. So you want to make sure the plan that you put in place is still on target for you to reach your goal. So get a second opinion. Next thing is, don't be afraid. I'm just going to touch on it. Don't be afraid to get disability or long-term care insurance, because if something should ever happen to you, don't allow that burden to fall on your loved one. Get a plan in place to help ease that, because they are already going to be dealing with your care, and you don't want all the extra burden to fall on them. Point number 11, get additional insurance outside of your current place of employment. I'm not saying get 10, 20, $30 million unless you need that amount, but get something just in case you decide to leave your place of employment. At least that doesn't hurt you because you have some coverage outside of it. Too often I see people, they say, I just got it on my job. And then next thing you know, you talk to them a year, 2 years later, they left that job. But the point is they are 2 or 3 years older. So now the cost of insurance has gone up. Start early, get something outside of your company today. And lastly, what I want to talk to you is about, there are some plans in place, what we call employee benefit plans. And these plans are mainly geared around guaranteed permanent life insurance. And this is important because if you have a family member, a loved one who have an illness or disease and they can't get life insurance out on their own, but through these employee benefit whole life plans, guaranteed plans, you can cover and protect your family. And then when you leave that company, these policies is what they call portable. It goes with you. And so instead of it being payroll deducted, now they're just drafted out of your bank account. So definitely look into how you, especially if you have a disabled loved one that cannot get insurance, look at maybe talking to your HR director on how you can get permanent life insurance, guaranteed coverage at your place of business. Hey, that's conclude my time for today. I really enjoyed it. My name is Russell Jackson. If you need to reach me, contact me. My number is 904-699-3480. Once again, my number is 904-699-3480. You can hit me up on email at rtjackson@ft.nyl.com. Hey, I'm the insurer for the celebrities. Talk to you later. Bye.